Hey everybody, today we're going to look at 6 ways customers have built a duck blind for their boat out of EMT conduit. Let's get into it. We've had a lot of pictures and people asking questions about doing this project, and here's some of the ones that have been sent back to us about how they tackled it. First one we've got is for a Beavertail boat. This one is really simple and I like it just because it's so simple and easy to do. There's only 4 connectors in here, our T connector, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the person bent the rest of it out of EMT conduit. So you've got this front U shape that's bolted to the boat right there, and a back one, and they connected it with 2 horizontals, which is very simple. And you can see they've got also a way to tie it down for going out on the lake and getting to their spot. And then here you've got it with the canopy all the way out. But check this out, they also did a flip up window where they bent a U shape out of conduit and then just drilled and bolted it right onto the frame there so they could flip it up really easy. And you can see how that creates a window that they can lower and raise there on the blind. Really great job. Next one we've got is for a pontoon boat where they used the railing of the boat and built the structure off of that. And you see they went all the way around a low section and then a high section, and then just made these vertical ribs going all the way down with our T connector. And then they did some bracing here on the higher section there. And then check this out, this is it fully camouflaged. They've got some vegetation there and grass, and it looks great. Nice work. Next one we've got is for a little bit wider of a boat. We've got actually a few that take this technique where you do a railing all around the bottom of the boat and then a smaller rectangle on the top, and then link them together with T connectors and these vertical pipes. You can swivel the T connector any direction, and so you can get that right angle so you can go from the bottom hoop to the top hoop and make that kind of pyramid structure. So there's one example. There it is with a tarp and grass. Looks good. And then here's another one that did the same sort of thing. Here, instead of connectors in the corner, they used these pre-bent pieces of EMT with some conduit couplers there to hold them all together. And then leaving the center open, they've got the walls of it. And then they've got these hooks here, which might be for a roof of some sort or a window. But there's their boat ready to go on. And a lot of people have said they need a solution that's custom to their boat. It's expensive to buy one, so they end up making it out of EMT conduit. And the feedback we've gotten is it saved them a lot of money, which is always something we love hearing. And that they can, take it down when they're done, when the season's over. Just our connectors loosen up with just a few turns of an Allen wrench, and then they can pack it away for next season. So that seems like to be a good fit. And here is the ultimate duck blind. This one really is over the top here, and a lot of cool features. Let me go back up to the top picture because that is this build as well. But you've got a high section and a low section. The middle's open, and then there's a few doors built in. You've got a door here on the side. There's a few windows, and then on the back as well. And the way you can do that is our connectors come with a plastic friction band to help them grip onto the EMT. And if you remove that, it gives it a little extra wiggle room on the pipe, and then it becomes basically a hinge. So I recommend kind of giving a dab of grease underneath where the connector grabs onto the pipe, and then you can use it as a window or as a door, that kind of thing. Here's a picture of the door. They've got this piece that goes down, a little bit of a latch here, and then they probably took the friction bands off here and here to create that swinging door. And same on the front and a couple of the side windows. But really over the top, looks great. And we heard from this customer and they were happy with it. And the last one we've got is another John boat where they've got 2 sides. Here's a good picture where they bent to kind of roll over the top there into these vertical supports and then use T connectors to hold it on there. Looks like it came out great with the center open. But that's just a few customer builds the photos we've gotten back. I hope it helps you if you're planning a duck blind for your boat. And if we can be of any help in the project, just let us know, reach out to us, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks so much. Take care.